What is up, guys? I'm back, and it has been a while since I've done a video. 5 months. It's been a while. But anyway, I'm going to do this here today. Figured I'd come back with an EDC update. And last time, somebody suggested, I can't remember the name, to do a pocket dump. So that's what I did. This is all the stuff I got in my pockets right now. And then, of course, on my wrist, around my neck. So we'll start with the watch. Timex Iron Man with the compass. Go over here. Okay. Got my knife. This is my Opinel number 8. And then this is my fire starting kit. It's out of my paracord little thing I made there. And I recently wired it all up together, so it works great. Then I started carrying this again. This is just writing book and a couple pens in there. And then, of course, a wallet, a cell phone, which I'm recording with, my Leatherman Wave. I mean, Wingman, not Wave. Okay, my Leatherman Wingman. Started carrying this over the Wave because this one has a pocket clip. Ignore my guinea pig, he's very irritating. Phoenix LD22. Love this flashlight. Favorite knife ever. Ontario got one. Carry this knife almost every day since I got it. 100% cotton bandana, some keys. Recently started carrying my neck knife again. Got this from Flint and Steel. Survival, awesome dude. Check his channel out. But that is my EDC. Not much. That's what I got. That's what I happen to have in my pockets today. And then, of course, I think I mentioned the Zippo. But that's what I happen to have in my pockets today. As I said, been gone a while, so hoping to do a video every week. We'll see how it goes. This has been Cheap Survival. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Over and out, guys.